whatever you're doing in these companies, for all of the companies, your all computers and everything is a property of your organization. But they still cannot monitor. They still, if they are monitoring, they'll have to tell you. And actually, some companies would write that in the contract.
That okay, whenever we will feel
we'll do it.
We'll do it.
Yes. And that is why they keep on sending us emails saying, do not keep any personal stuff on the office machine, and do not browse the internet on office machines. So guys, here, promiscuous. Do we understand promiscuous more?
NSA is checking your email.
NSA. Yes. Okay. Next one is MAC address changes. MAC address changes. MAC address changes. MAC address changes is another security feature on a switch. It's another security feature on a switch. Now, MAC address changes and forced transmit are both exactly the same. MAC address changes is for incoming traffic. Actually, MAC address changes is for outgoing traffic, and forced transmit is incoming traffic. So basically, MAC address changes is for outgoing traffic. So this is, I'm gonna just write here, monitor outgoing traffic. Monitor outgoing traffic. Whereas forced transfer monitor incoming traffic.
Whereas?
Yes. Forced transmit.
So MAC address, we are using the MAC backend, but what is it using in the forward?
Same MAC address.
Same MAC address?
Both are MAC address. So forced transmit monitor incoming traffic. So first of all, we need to understand this, that what are these two doing? So they are monitoring incoming traffic and outgoing traffic. Now what exactly they are doing? So first of all, they are monitoring the traffic. And
So this can be interview questions.
yeah, this can be interview questions. Somebody might ask you, what are the securities on a switch? So you can tell them there are three securities we can set. One is promiscuous mode, second is MAC address, and these are the three things we can do on a switch.
Sorry, I have a question. We have bunch of information about security.
Yes.
From day first to now. If we find the job on the security and combination everything together, we can apply for the security job.
No. This security, guys. The question here is this security all information enough to get a security job? No. This is just a VMware switch security. Just one security.
There is one question. If we can implement ACL, access control list on that switch, then we can monitor the security more strictly rather than we can,
And that is not an option
available
in these
here.
switches.
Then
There
we
is
need
not
to
an
use
option.
the physical.
Yes. So guys, the question here is that can we get security job? So my answer is no. This is only a specific product security. In order to get security jobs, you must be, and that's a totally different domain. That is, you need to be a CISSP or CISA. Those are different certifications. That is totally all different altogether. So security jobs are basically these certifications. You need to go into these books, but basically this security is just a switch security, and the security we discussed in Windows, that was just a Windows security. But overall security policies comes from those guys. Okay. So MAC address changes and forced transmit. So MAC address changes and forced transmit. Now, in both cases, what happens is, guys, now let's understand. We have